Milk Frother, VAVA electric milk steamer for hot and cold milk froth with double wall, Strix controlled, non-stick interior, silent operation for cappuccino, hot chocolate, latte, coffee. Perfect milk frother at a touch. 4 different settings let you indulge in cafe-style coffee drinks with different textures of froth: hot dense foam, hot airy foam, hot milk, cold froth, or standard latte-style hot milk at the press of a button. Metallic internal, double wall design, brushed stainless steel design and non-stick interior for easy cleaning just with an additional set of whisks. Enough for all, holds 3.9 ounces 115 milliliters of super dense foam for a perfect cup of cappuccinos, or heating 8.20 ounces 240 milliliters with a small amount of frothing, 8.1 ounces 40 milliliters of hot milk for lattes and flat whites. Ergonomic grip, with a streamlined silhouette, you can grab the frother comfortably and whip up everything from a turmeric latte to a classic cappuccino. Safer by design, ETL-listed frother is equipped with Strix temperature controller and switches off automatically when your milk or froth is ready. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.